Happy new month. How are you? Welcome to the month of October. So for what I'm going to be doing I'm going to be posting videos like 3 times a week. So I'm going to post 4 videos, 3 shorts and 1 video. That video will be uploaded and uploaded on Tuesdays. So that's what I'm going to do. Because I was thinking like what else again. But yeah, and then in the evening I'm going to do my evening skincare. I'm going to also record that as well. I don't think I've ever done that on my channel, but yeah, I'm just gonna do a lot of mask, hand mask, foot mask, facial mask, eye mask, and then wash my hair, and also maybe wash my wig. I don't know, but yeah, maybe I'll wash my wig as well. What else again do I have planned for today? Go to the store, run some errands, and also visit this bakery that I have been seeing all over Instagram. It's in Rockville, so it's a little bit further out for me. It's called Japapong Bakery, and I'm obsessed with the way it looks. I've had a taste of it one time a while ago. One of my cousins brought it for me, and I had one of their pastries and I was like, this is fantastic. And now I'm on this weight lifestyle, not journey, because I don't want to make it look like a journey is when it's gonna stop. This is the lifestyle. This is part of me. So I want to, sometimes you just want to indulge, right? And so I want to get the pastry and probably buy like a big bag and bring that over, and I think my daughter is gonna love it as well. So yeah, so those are the plans that I have for today. And hi, all right, so I'm gonna show you what I eat in a week. It's going to be Nigerian food, some Asian food, some French food, just different kind of like meals. So yeah, because I love to cook, like cook. I wanted to be a chef, but I do love cooking. Like, I'm obsessed with cooking. Like, I love to like try an ingredient, test it out, let my daughter taste it as well, and if it tastes good, especially when she tells me mommy is good, then I know it's good, because my daughter, she has a palate like no other. If she doesn't like it, it wasn't good. But if she loves it, it's good. So yeah, it's going to be African food as well, Nigerian food, because I'm Nigerian, so I'll always show that. Today is Tuesday, right? So today, usually my breakfast is usually the same thing. So, but for my lunch, it's gonna be different. So I'm gonna make like shrimp with black pepper and pink Himalayan salt. That's what I'm gonna have for lunch, with jasmine rice today and cabbage on the side. Okay, because we're all about gut health. I don't know why sometimes my hair like gets into my face, like it's really annoying. And then dinner, we're gonna have my daughter, she wants jollof rice with spicy chicken, that's what she's gonna have with salad. But I will have like maybe salad with like a little pizza on the side. So yeah, so that's what we're having today. And then some errands today before it gets like late, because I like to do my errands. I like to run my errands like before 3 o'clock, because I have to pick up my child from school. All right, I'll talk to you later. So before I like just get ready to do my morning skincare, put it on my lip gloss. So I'm obsessed with this hand cream. This again is from Marbodisco. I think I'm like more than obsessed with Mario Badescu at this point. But this is Mario Badescu and I'm obsessed with it. This is their hand cream and this has vitamin E and is luscious, honey. This is just, do you see it? It's just so good. Lovely. I just love it. Also Laneige, I got this from Sephora. This is their Water Bank Hyaluronic Blue moisturizer and it's so good. It's so good. Only thing is that you have to like pop it open and you can see it. So luscious. Just put it on. It's just beautiful. I just love it. But yeah, all right. I'm gonna also clean my house, clean the bathroom, clean the whole place, and disinfect as well. All right, today is Thursday, so what I'm gonna make for my meal today is going to be like a nice breakfast with that Japapong bakery pastries that I went to in Rockville a couple days ago. So yeah, I'm gonna make that and then maybe have like blueberries and apple on the side and a cup of tea. Because you know I told you, I don't know if I've said it, but maybe I have, like in a comment or something like that, I am no longer drinking coffee. I noticed that it makes me like very like unnecessarily hyper for me, and it just doesn't work for me. I love the smell of coffee. I was trying decaf, but I don't think I want to do that anymore. So chai maybe I can drink, and tea, because chai has that similar, you know, smell, like fragrance, but not the effects, because coffee makes, oh my gosh, it's just not good for me. Anyone else can drink coffee, but for me, no. So that's what I'm gonna have. And then for lunch, I'll probably do a salad, and I'm trying to think, maybe I should make, maybe I'll do like a chicken. I'll do some kind of chicken. I don't know what flavor I'm gonna put on there. And then Friday I probably would do like oatmeal, and I think that's probably it that I'm gonna eat for today. And of course water, have my vitamins, and yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. And edit my videos. I have to edit my videos today. If you hear noises in the background, I do apologize. Every week, they're always doing something in my apartment complex. So today, I'm gonna do a facial. So I have my Narivi eye patch. We're gonna put that on my eyes. And then I have the lip mask, the face mask, and I told you face mask is coming back, and I'm obsessed with it. I bought like 32 of this. I'm gonna buy more. I think I'm like in love with face mask, and then the foot mask as well. So those are the things I'm gonna use today, and I'm also gonna steam my face, and then just do like a facial spa day today, do my nails, do my cuticles. I already did my nails, but just do like my cuticles, just trim it, put the cuticle oil and all that, wash my hair, and make dinner. And I'm thinking of what else. Oh yes, girl, I'm going to watch Salt Lake City while I'm doing all this, because Salt Lake City, it is fantastic. Like, have you been watching it? Chef's kiss. Like this season, they came in hot, honey. Like they are like not playing, and I'm obsessed. I love it. I think New York premiered this week, so I'm gonna check that out as well. And then next week, I think on Sunday, is Real Housewives of Potomac. you have to represent Maryland, you know, and I am obsessed. And I don't know when Atlanta is gonna come, and maybe they're gonna come out this December or maybe next year, because I know they're trying to come in with all the juicy tales, okay? All right, so I will talk to you guys later. And then yeah, I put my hair in a ponytail. I just wanted to get it out of my face. I actually kind of like it like this for some weird reason. I usually don't like ponytails before. I used to think that it doesn't fit me, but it's okay, especially the way I did it. I think it's kind of cute. And I got this little pearl earrings from Amazon as well. I'll link everything down below. So yeah, all right, talk to you later. I decided to just mix it and make stir fry. Yummy.